Maintaining and cleaning electrical devices. There are many electrical devices in the household that require electricity, such as televisions, refrigerators, fans, microwaves, stereos, books, kettles, and irons. In order to properly take care of these electrical devices in the household, follow these guidelines. Do not forget to unplug electrical devices every time before cleaning them in order to protect yourself from the danger of an electric shock. It is also recommended to regularly check the power cable and plug before use, and that any damage is repaired before use. Let's talk about televisions. For maintenance, choose a good quality antenna and set it up outdoors, turning it to the direction of the television station if you live in the 1950s. Put the television in a ventilated location at a distance of at least 10 centimeters from the wall to keep it cool. It is suggested not to set the brightness too high in order to save power, and it may also shorten the lifespan of the TV. For cleaning, put a piece of soft cloth in a mixture of water and washing liquid and dampen it before using it to clean the screen of an old-style television, and then wipe it again using a piece of dry, soft cloth. However, only wipe the back of an old-style television using a dry, soft cloth. Clean the monitor of an LCD television by wiping it from left to right with a soft cloth dipped in warm water or a screen cleaning solution. Do you have a refrigerator? Well, let me tell you how to clean it. To maintain it, only open the refrigerator when necessary. Do not put hot items in the refrigerator because it uses more power to cool them down. Avoid putting too many items in the refrigerator because they interrupt the flow of cooling, and as a result, some foods such as vegetables, meat, socks, or cheese may go rotten. Remove ice from the freezer by pressing the defrost button, especially when the ice is more than 1 centimeter thick. Do not use knives or other sharp objects to remove ice from the freezer. Set an appropriate temperature in the refrigerator based on the manual to save power. Cleaning your refrigerator. Dampen a soft cloth in water and then use it to clean the outside of the refrigerator. It is suggested to use a cleaning product instead of water when cleaning the inside of the refrigerator. The shelves and trays should be removed and washed with washing liquid followed by rinsing with clean water. They should be dried before being put back in the refrigerator. What about the fan? Everybody has a fan. For maintenance, unplug the fan every time after use. Turn off the fan when it is not needed in order to rest the electrical motor and make the motor last as long as possible. Put the fan in a well-ventilated area to keep the electric motor cool. For cleaning, take the cover and the blades off the fan for the purpose of washing them and then dry them out by hanging them up or wiping them. Here's a tip. Apply sewing machine oil to the spindle to reduce friction and noise while the fan is working. How about audio system devices such as a home stereo? Well, do not put audio system devices in direct sunlight or in damp places. If a home stereo is broken, it is recommended to get a professional to fix it. Use a duster or soft, dry cloth for dusting the outside of the devices. The book says to use a CD reader cleaning liquid once a month by following the manual that came with the device. But I don't think home stereos have CD players anymore. Do you have a microwave? Let's talk about the dangers of putting metal objects such as spoons, forks, knives, shoes, or metal containers into a microwave. Only use microwave-safe containers for warming food with a microwave. It is suggested to cover food to protect the microwave from the splashing of food. Cook or warm food according to the user manual. For cleaning, wipe both inside and outside the microwave by using a clean, soft cloth with a mixture of water and washing liquid for the first round of cleaning, and then wipe it again for the second time using just a dry cloth. Spread baking soda on a sponge before using it to clean difficult stains that are hard to clean by the regular method. After that, wipe it by using a damp cloth and then a dry cloth. The electric kettle. Do not plug in an empty electric kettle. Check that the power cable is assembled properly, or if there is any damage on the power line. If there is damage, do not use it. Do not use a scrubber or sharp materials to scrub inside the kettle because it will make the coating come off. Do not put the electric kettle close to damp areas or water because it may cause an electric shock. For cleaning, wipe outside the kettle by using a clean, soft cloth with a mixture of water and washing liquid for the first round of cleaning, and wipe it again for a second time using just a dry cloth. Wash the inside of the kettle by using a sponge with washing liquid and water, and then face it upside down for drying. However, you should empty the kettle and wait until it is cool before cleaning. Do you like electrical irons? So do I. Always keep the iron dry. That also means when spraying water on clothes, it needs to be away from the iron by some distance, and never ever take the iron into the shower or bathtub with you. Apply lubricating oils, tallow candle, or coating for iron every 2 months. Adjust the temperature appropriately for each type of clothes based on the user guide that comes with the iron. For cleaning, unplug the iron and then wipe it by using a soft cloth while it is still warm. Now, the book says to rub the iron on a banana leaf until the leaf turns dark brown in order to get rid of burn marks on the iron. It says that it also makes the iron more slippery. But this is only the rule for charcoal irons, which are very old-fashioned irons that are filled with hot coals. Now that you know all about maintaining and cleaning electrical appliances, let's play a game of Look It. The first 5 students to lay their heads on the desk will be the first students to get their phones. You may use pages 11 through 15 to get the best scores in today's game.